It is day 3 and the second full day of cruising, so we decided to get a workout in this morning. So Terrence is hitting the gym and I am going to do some laps around the track. After breakfast, we headed to the Overlook section, which is on deck 15 near the Aqua Dome, to chill at these pods. The pods are really cool little comfy spots where you can just go and chill. They are private and they give you a beautiful view of the ocean. They have lots of charging ports and outlets for your electronics. So we just spent a couple of hours here chilling, reading, and enjoying drinks from the nearby Rye and Bean Bar. Steph and I decided to head over to the Aqua Dome market to get a quick snack from Creme de la Crepe. We got the salted caramel crepe with strawberry Nutella one, which had strawberries in it with hazelnut chocolate spread. Both of them were very delicious. We went to Chill Island once again to chill at the Lime and Coconut Bar with family.
To help make up for the inconvenience, you will be compensated with an onboard credit worth 1 day of your cruise fare. This will be automatically added to your SeaPass account and can be used anywhere on board. Any remaining amounts at the end of our sailing will be reimbursed to your card on file within 14 business days from the final disembarkation.
So that was the announcement that informed us that there was some kind of issue and that we would not be stopping at St. Thomas on day 5 as originally planned. And I guess we missed the part in the announcement that specified that there was an issue and that the ship is going to need unplanned maintenance. So we were like confused. We were like, is there a hurricane in the path? We didn't know what was going on. But then when we returned to our cabin, there was a letter, this letter that we received, stating that the ship would have to undergo unplanned maintenance, and it gave us the new itinerary, which was basically no stop at St. Thomas as they had specified. And we would also get credit for the cruise fare for 1 day. That's how we were informed about the issue with the ship. After that, we headed to the dining room for an early dinner. Soulfish.
That's the thing. This is something that
lasagna, marinara, and some spinach.
this is
good.
delicious.
It's good, isn't it?
As we gather here today to enjoy a meal with family and friends, we hope you bless this meal and hope you guide us in our endeavors to protect us and keep us away from harm.
Yes.
Pray. Amen.
Amen.
Can't take my eyes off of you. I like that. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. You want the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, fireworks. We got fireworks. We got fireworks. We got the fireworks. We got the wish.
And after dinner, we headed up to the Aqua Dome for the Aqua Show. We got there about an hour early, as was recommended by our cruise director, Mike, who we had a conversation with, because the show is designed to be best viewed center stage. So we pretty much were able to get center stage seats. The Aqua Show was incredible. We all said it's the best cruise show that we have experienced. After the show, I headed back to my cabin for a quick change, and then we headed back out to Central Park so we could go to Lou's and listen to the jazz band to end the night.
Died, so we're going to play a couple of numbers by him here, and we're going to start off with a song that he wrote entitled Along Came Betty.